In this video, I'm going to review the secret of how to make passive income from YouTube without showing face. I learned this method from a $500 YouTube course from Make Money Mad, who have over 500,000 followers, run 12 YouTube channels, and make over $30,000 per month from YouTube by the age of 18. So in this video, we are going to cover 3 secrets for doing this, but first let's go back to why you should start a faceless YouTube channel in the first place. By starting a faceless channel, you can do this anywhere in the world. The age doesn't matter, you don't need to have a good look or a good voice, and you can eventually outsource all the work, run so many different channels and make a passive income from doing this. You can think of every video that you uploaded as a digital real estate that will continue to bring you money for years. So as you post more and more videos, you get a higher amount of views and passive income every day, even when you are asleep. So you are going to achieve this by following the 3 secrets in this video, and secret number 1 is the laziest way to make money on YouTube without showing your face, and the best niches to do this in. Secret number 2 will be how to actually make a YouTube video without showing your face or record any video. Secret number 3 will be how to go viral fast on YouTube by using a method of ideas generation, which is proven to be effective in Make Money Mad's own channel. Now let's go back to secret 1. The laziest way of making passive income on YouTube is to sell high payout partner product and earn a commission from every sale. Because in this method, you don't need to wait until you get 1,000 followers and 4,000 hours of watching time, which could potentially take months if you are a beginner on YouTube. And you don't need to have your own digital product, which would also take months of effort to develop and get a good feedback from the buyers. And you don't even need a high amount of traffic to attract producers to sponsor your video. You don't need to have expertise or authority in your niche. You simply need to introduce how good the high payout product is and use the authority of the creator to convince your audience. For instance, if your niche is about how to make money on YouTube, then you can go to the website like Digistore24 to find a YouTube course to promote. And since the course is created by someone who already has tons of experience on doing this, then you don't even need to come up with a digital product of your own. You can just sell the product and earn a commission that can be up to 50%. For example, the YouTube course for Make Money Mad is also on Digistore24. If you promote one of his products, you can earn a commission of 50% and make around $250 to $500 for each sale, depending on the course that you promote. So this is actually the way that I'm going to use in the future to make a passive income, and this is also the way that Make Money Mad recommends us to use, as he believes this is currently the best way of making money on YouTube. So to choose a high payout product to promote, first you need to choose a niche. A niche is simply a topic that you mainly talk about in your channel. You don't want to talk about basketball today and psychology tomorrow, because it will confuse the audience of what your channel is about and give them no reason to follow you. The best niches to choose are in the categories of health, wealth, happiness, relationship, travel, and technologies. The problems within these niches are the burning problems that most people face and the ones that they are willing to pay a large amount of money to solve. You can choose a sub-niche within these categories. For example, in wealth, you can talk about how to make money online, investment, YouTube automation, or how to earn money from AI. If you don't know what are the sub-niches within these categories, you can simply type the keywords in YouTube search bar, or you can just ask ChatGPT to give you 10 best niches within any categories. And if you still don't know what to choose, you can just choose how to make money online as your niche, because it's already one of the most profitable niches and you are already interested in learning more about it since you are currently watching this video. Now let's go to secret number 2, which is how to make a video without showing your face. You can do some research on the faceless channel on your niche and imitate the way that they make their video, instead of just coming up with a unique way all by yourself. Some channel will use slideshows, some channel mainly use video footage found on some free website like Pixabay or Pexels. Some create simple animation using AI, and some use screen recording to demonstrate how to do something, which is commonly seen in the videos that include the words of step-by-step in their title. But when you are a beginner, you don't need to make it too complicated, as most of the value of your video actually is in the idea and the content instead of video editing. And eventually you will need to outsource your video editing, so now you just need to focus on how to create content ideas and title and thumbnail that make people want to click, and try to deliver as many values as you can in a single video, and just focusing on content creation instead of the video editing. Once you start gaining revenue, you can outsource your editing on websites like Upwork and free you up from hours of work for every video. And secret number 3 is how to make your content go viral on YouTube by using this method of idea generation. First, you need to divide your video ideas and let 50% of them come from the already viral video and 50% of them come from keyword research. For the first 50%, you can just search for the top 3 channels within your niche and then go to their homepage to rank their videos by the highest amount of views. Then you choose the top 3 of them and use their title as the idea for your future videos. And when writing the script for your video, you can also type in the keywords and watch the top 3 videos and write down the best idea in each of them and then include them in your video. This way, theoretically, you can come up with the best video script among the 3 of them because you distill the best ideas from each of the videos. And for another 50%, you want to search for keywords within your niche that have a high amount of search volume and a low amount of competition. You can use an AI tool like Tube Magic to do the keyword research, which does cost you some money, but you need to see this as a way of saving time and the investment in the future cash flow of your videos. Now, if you got some value out of this video, you might also want to see this video where I talk about how to make a good thumbnail that makes people want to click. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.